G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this beautiful old ilco padlock. If you can tell, it has come to me from Chris Capune. So it's very unusual. I've never seen one with a steel body and brass, bronze, whichever it is. Yeah, that's a nice looking padlock. Almost looks like a Lockwood keyway. Exactly. Alright, let's see if we can pick it. Because that's quite tight. Which pick? I might try this one from the set that I got from Locknoob. That was, yeah, got that a couple of years ago off a giveaway from Locknoob. This one has to be my favourite. It's like a DeForest diamond, kinda. And just won't zoom in on the shine. It's a bedding, oh, that's right. We're open. So it's open. Alright guys, thank you. Take care, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Cheers.